only face I'd ever known. I was the light from the lamp on the floor, and only as bright as you wanted me to be. But I am no gentleman, I can be a prick, and I do regret more than